Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to show you how you can start affiliate marketing on a low budget. And I started this strategy with a product that cost me $4.90 per month. So you can start for under $5 and then you can progressively build. And so far, I've earned over $6,000 in commissions with this strategy. And I'm going to give you two resources where you can follow it step by step. First of all, I'll just show you some proof. So this is in the traffic niche. And the reason I did this is because traffic is an evergreen niche. Everyone needs traffic and more traffic. So I'm live in my Warrior Plus account here. Just want to show you some proof, first of all, of monthly commissions. So last month, I earned $574. This month so far, $528. And if I go into my all time, I'll just show you some proof. And there will be an income disclaimer in the description, so we're not making any income claims, just showing you what I've done. I'll go into my all time here. So I'm live in my Warrior Plus account. And what you'll see here is that all time my sales are 12,000. This line, this row here, not row, this column. Okay, so this column here, $12,405, and this row here, commissions of $6,053. Let's just have a little brief overview of what exactly this is all about. First of all, you're going to get autopilot daily buyers traffic, and that's important. So the reason I started with this product, the product's called the Click Engine, and it costs $4.90 per month. It's how I started. So there'll be links in the description where you can get started for under $5 today. And with this, what happened was I started to promote it as an affiliate because I wanted to get my traffic for free. I always recommend you do that because a lot of these affiliate programs, especially the Click Engine, you can earn multiple income streams by promoting one link because the owners have a done for you funnel. And it's a great way to be able to earn additional commissions but get your traffic for free. And then with the strategy, what I did, I turned it into a profitable monthly funded traffic proposal. So what that means is that now I've got profits, and you can get profits every single month. So if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, you're no longer going to be buying traffic from your job income or your wages or your savings in your bank account. You're going to be able to buy your traffic from profits, and that's really key, and it will help you buy even more traffic to scale up your primary business and earn money faster. So let's just show you now. I want to show you a couple of things. First of all, I want to show you that this is a growing income. So if I go into last year, I'm going to go into last year. Warrior Plus is great because it's free to set up a Warrior Plus account, and that's where all these products are hosted. So if we look at last year's income, last year I sold $4,070 of products, and commissions last year totaled $1,957. Now, if we just make a mental note of those, because we want to compare it and show you the growth for this year. So you can go back into here and you can get all your stats and data. We're going to go to year to date. So we had 4,000 of sales and 1,957 in commissions. And so far this year to date, we've still got 3 months left. So we've doubled so far. We've doubled the sales, Currently, it's about $1,000 of sales a month, so we're probably going to be about 11,000. So we're nearly going to treble the sales, and the commissions have doubled so far. And there's still 3 months left. That's probably going to be probably near about $5,500 with the current growth that we've got. So, and very briefly, let me just show you year on year for the month. So if we go into, let's say if we go into let's go into last September and compare it to this September. So just showing you how your income can grow following this strategy. So September last year, 1st of September, and you go into September there. So last September, we click go. Last September was an income of $167. And then if we go into September this year, so you'll see the growth in the income. It's important to have products that you promote that are in demand and high converting. If we go to dashboard, so last year was 167 in September, and this month is 528. So that's more than treble the income with the growth. So let's just have a look now and show you a couple of resources of how you can follow this strategy. So the first resource that I've got is this one here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin this page so you can watch this video here to the link in the description. And I outlined the strategy step by step in a video tutorial so you can understand exactly. It's very beginner friendly. So even if you're an absolute beginner, you can get started today for under $5. And then I outline in the strategy step by step how you can start to earn duplicate the results that I've shown you here today. And these results are just one income stream for me. I started out, I've got multiple income streams, and once you get this one going, you can then add additional income streams to your portfolio. And the other resource that I've got is on my blog, How to Make Money with Warrior Plus. I outline the whole strategy in this blog post. And what I'll do is I'll pin this blog post to the first comment below the video here. So if you like to read, there's text content on here and also some video proof. So if you like to read, the blog post is for you. And if you like to learn by video, then you can also use this resource here and watch the video there. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So I'm currently uploading new videos every day, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions about today's video, any of the content, please leave those questions in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. And if you'd like to get started for under $5 today, then you can join the Click Engine for $4.90 a month, and then go on to my resources, the video here or the blog post here, and then just follow the simple steps that I'll teach you, and start to duplicate the results that I've achieved with this strategy. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.